If you want to scale your business with cold email outreach, or you are a freelancer who providing B2B lead generation service to the client, this video is going to helpful for you. Hi everyone, I'm Imrul Tushar. Today I will introduce with the app called Apollo. It can insanely help you with your business or your freelance journey. So Apollo have 300 million contact leads and 30 million company list inside the Apollo. How it's so powerful. Today I will walk you through the step-by-step process how Apollo works, how you can find your targeted leads with Apollo. So in the Apollo, you can filter by the job title, you can filter by the location, you can filter with the industry, you can filter with email valid or not, you can filter with company size. So many more things you can access in the Apollo. So without further ado, let's begin and see how it works. So as you can see right now, I'm on my screen. To go with that link, I will attach the link in a video description for your easy access. So we are in the right now apps.apollo.com. Hit enter. So as you can see right now, I'm the Apollo interface. And by the way, the Apollo has a free plan, also paid option as well. If you want to scale bigger, and you can sign up for their subscription to get more accessible. Today I'm going with the free version of how it worked to show you all of you guys. So now we are in Apollo interface. So click login with Google. As you can see, we are already logged in with the Apollo. So in the this is the interface you will see. It can be different. So in the left sidebar, you will see a lot of options. Search, as you can see, when you hover it your mouse and in the home icon, and you will see the lot of things: people, company, list, data, sequence, email. So today I will see the two options: people and company. And let's start with the people. So click on people, then it will redirect to the people pages. Oh, my internet is not stable, that's why it's taking time. Sorry for that. As you can see, so now the work is start. How you have to find how what type of lead you need. You have to follow this. Let me verify it. It's a human verification. So let's start the videos with filtering to find our targeted leads. So as you can see, this is the founder tier. It's about the company who are founded there. So it's a premium option. You can see is the log. So our job will be started here on the email status. So click on here, and then you will see the email verified. So we have to do those are the non-verified, unverified use. So we have to select these to get the valid email address from the Apollo. So click on it. As you can see, it's already selected, verified, and now you have to define from which industry you want to lead and what kind of people you want. Like as you can see, job title, like I want the CEO, founder, owner, that's kind of people from a targeted particular industry. Let's put the targeted job title. We want CEO, owner, FOU, and the founder. So that's it. I want to go with those three position of people. And you can it's include people with similar titles. So if you want to add, if you don't want, you can untick it. It's like a, so if you select it, it will appear a CEO, assistant, or CEO, or managing director, or CMO, or that kind of similar work. So I don't want to keep it here. So I want only those three: CEO, owner, and it should be founder. Mistakenly, I put the owner two times. So you can click here over the title, and it will be removed from here. Now all is okay, and you can click here to off the drop down. So you can filter by company. Like I want the people from this company. I will show you how it work in another video. No problem. So you can see. So now the main important thing is location. So you have to put your targeted location from where you want the targeted leads. So as you can see, this is the contact and this is the account headquarter. Contact is a person addresses, and account HQ is a company location. So I want to go with the contact FLO, Florida US. So select it. Okay, our location are selected. Close this out. Then now it's an employee. So how many employee? How small? A lot of client, lot of people are want to the reach out to the small company, big, medium size. So you can filter it here. So if you want to go who have which company have the more than 1 to 10 employee, you can select it. Or if you want to 11 to 12, or 50 to 100, or 100 to 20, 200, is depend on your niche, is depend on you how you want. So I'm go with the 11 to 20 21 to 50. If you need more, you can go with that. You can select it as per your needs. Okay, so I'm go with this. Also I can take this 1 to, so I'm go with 1 to 50, so that's why I selected. If you want more bigger company, you can select from the below. Close this out, and it's so now the very important part, filtering the targeted leads, is industry. So a lot of industry you will see here. As you can see, search industry and keyword, you can write it here to check is available or not. Here is a accountant, finance, marketing and advertising, lot of industry available here. You can find by search. Also you can see here is a lot of category in available, lot of industry available in here. Information technology, as you can see, construction, marketing, advertising, real estate, health, wellness and fitness, management, consulting, computer software, internet, retail, financial services, consumer service, hospital and healthcare, automotive, restaurant, education management, food and beverage, design, hospitality, and much more. So I want to go with. Also, you can search to check your targeted industry is available or not. So I'm go with the marketing, MR marketing. So as you can see, marketing, advertising. So select it. So you have to select your targeted industry on in here, right? So then it will be select here. Okay, selected already. As you can see, here is the showing the total how many leads available with my filtered word, right? So as of this moment, with my all filter I did in the below, with those filter have 4.6k, almost 4,000 plus leads. As you can see in the right side, those are all showing. This is the person name, this is the job title, this is the company name, this is the email, access email, very important part, and also a phone number, maybe company phone number, a lot of things. This is the location, this is the employee size, and this is the industry which you select, the company keyword. So lot of things you there is available, and you have to select it. So now point is, in the Apollo have a free plan, also have a subscription option, right? So as a free version of this Apollo, you can get 100 email per month. So as you can see, this is the lot of things you can doubt. Now you, as a free version, you cannot export the all things. So you have to take the one by one. Then this is the filter option with the contact Apollo. So now if you click on the access email, then it will, you will see the verified business email address of this person, of this company owner. Okay, so let's take the work. So verifying, as you can see, this is the business email. So now you can put and copy. As you can see, copy. So then you can start your outreach campaign. But so if you want to export all in at a time, then you have to go with the paid version. Okay, so by the way, it's not a sponsored video, but I'm showing because I all the time use Apollo for my lead generation. I provide the lead generation service to my client. That's why I all the time I use Apollo for the get the verified leads for my client. So if you need the lead generation service, let me know by commenting below. If you don't want to buy the subscription, then you can reach out to me. I can assist you. I can help you with that. So okay, that's not my matter. So that this is how you can filter on the Apollo. Apollo is a very interesting tool that can scale your business insanely, right? So this is how to filter the contract. So if you want to go the next one, you can go with manually. Okay, one by one you can take it. So now we will see the company, how company tab work. Let's start with company also similar to the track that we already done. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, there is total company 30 million plus. It's a huge number of leads in the available on the Apollo, right? So as you can see how you filter those things, you can see, you can add the account location. So you want the company from a New York, you can select it. You can filter, you can find the targeted lead from the whole a country. You can select it as well, no problem. So if you want to select the whole United States, you can select it from here. As you can see, I select the United States, close this out, and you can select how many employee work on this company. You can select it as well. So you can explore a lot of thing in Apollo, and you can get your ideal customer profile with Apollo. So you can select it from here. And at this moment, as an example, I want the 1 to 10. So as you can see in the employee section, I select 1 to 10 company, and now as you can see, this is the company showing. Now only those companies showing who have the only 1 to 10 employee in their company. Okay, so now you can select the industry. from the below. Also, if you not found your targeted industry listed here, you can use company keyword, industry name, industry keyword in company keyword section. Okay, so let's close this out. As you can see, so let's go with the construction company. Okay, so right now I selected construction. As you can see, this is changing all the time. When I apply a filter, it's changing every time, and it's refreshing in the right side as well. Okay, close this out. So that's it. This is how also you can filter company visitor, how many people are visiting in their website of those company. Okay, so also other lot of thing is available: technology, revenue, funding, job posting, source. Those are the paid person. So if you want to filter those, you have to go with this Apollo subscription, so which is I'm not going at this moment. So this is how, as you can see with my filter, all the company from United States, and with in the all company have only 1 to 10 employee, and all company are the construction company in the US. Now you can go with one by one. As you can see showing link, this is the website, this is the company name, employee, lot of things, keyword, construction. Now but in that company filter, you cannot get the company email addresses. Okay, so you have to go every website, then you have to find the, as you can see, this is the info@domainname.com. So you have to find a one by one. So that's it. This is how Apollo work. So those are the main things, contact and company, that I show all about company and contact. So if you have a large amount of project, if you need that kind of service, or if you don't want to buy the Apollo subscription, you can contact with me with your targeted requirement. I can help you. So that's it for today. So this is how you can get your targeted customer profile with Apollo. It's really amazing tool. I use Apollo since 2021 for my clients, and it's helping me a lot, and it's helping in the Apollo all data from LinkedIn as well, right? So also you can find the LinkedIn profile as well from the Apollo. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by commenting below, and hit the subscribe button and for the more interesting videos. Also, you can like this video. Also, you can share this video with your friend. I think that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.